bold. You know, women, I think we forget sometimes, but we're good at it. Be bold, be fearless, you know, and that will bring you to freedom. Because as much as you face your situation, as much as you face, I'm owing 50,000 Rand altogether, how am I going to sort this out? Education, you know, there's so many resources online, institutions like Letsatsi Finance.
I think sometimes it's the lack of knowledge. Like we tend to limit ourselves because we are maybe scared of asking or reaching out to the next person. We are scared of being judged at the same time. That maybe it's because I can't afford myself or I'm financially challenged. Now the next person is going to think that maybe I was being reckless when coming to mine.
But you know what? I agree with you. But then realizing I need help is actually empowerment.
Yes.
You know, and then that leads to freedom. And what you touched on as well is very important, where we need to communicate with each other and within our community network. Hey, what worked for you? What worked for you? Can we all work together? You know, I know people do like stockfile things and that kind of thing. Like, let's all put money into a pool, and at the end of whenever period, we buy this or we buy this, or everyone gets a turn type of thing. You know, those kind of conversations. Because I feel that it's more, women are able to speak more openly. And let's do it about finances as well. You know, let that help us towards getting freedom. When we have a goal, you know, obviously it's once you have knowledge and power, knowledge and education, you can set clear goals. You want to achieve dreams. We all have dreams. And most of the time, sometimes you want to be like, la-di-da dreams. But you need money to make your dreams complete. Do you want a little side hustle? Do you want at some point your own business? How are you going to get there? Do you want to make sure your kids, regardless of whatever happens from now to when they have to, can they go to varsity? How do you prepare for that? When one day you need to retire, do you have enough money? Or would you need to depend on someone else to be able to help you? Your husband, your
it's all
partner,
about
your kids.
educating each other.
Precisely. And then having goals and being strict with yourself.
Discipline.
And that discipline is so important. I agree with you. And obviously having those set clear goals helps you to know that, okay, this month, before you do anything else, you put money aside for paying your debts, like we said, for your retirement, for your kids' education fund, that kind of thing. And when you're in trouble, when you need a bigger extra cash, be careful how much you're going to borrow, what you spend that on, and then make sure that you're able to pay it back.